Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing the clean girl makeup look, which is basically a minimal glowy makeup. Also, you want to keep your hair very simple. I, for example, just went with a low ponytail. So do whatever you want, but keep in mind that you want to have your makeup and your hair as well very, very simple, very minimal. Okay, so I've already prepped my face and my under eye area, and I just went with my normal moisturizer. Feel free to prep your skin however you like. And I'm going to use firstly the Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm in the shade Too Fair. Now this product is just amazing. You can use it as a foundation, you can use it as a highlighter, you can use it however you like. There's so many ways that you can use it. I just love it. And I like the fact that it comes with this big wand and it's super easy to apply. I just love it. And I'm gonna take a brush to blend it. Now, do you see the glow that I got from this product? This is amazing. I just love it. You won't be getting any crazy coverage from it. As I said, it's not really a foundation. It's more like a primer slash super light coverage foundation slash highlighter, if that makes sense. It gives you like this super natural glow, but at the same time a very light coverage. Now obviously you can go and use a normal foundation if you want more coverage, or just leave it the way it is. And this is what I'm going to be doing. Now I will move to my concealer, and obviously I will go with Radiant Concealer by Charlotte Tilbury. This is my go-to concealer at the moment. And I'm gonna go to just a few dots. I don't want a lot of it. And I'm gonna go with my beauty sponge to blend it out. And I'm just going with my sponge just all over my face to press everything down. Now I want to move to my bronzer, and I'm taking the MAC Skin Finish Natural in Medium Dark. Has a natural finish, it's matte, it is perfect. So with this look you want to go, you know, for a bronzy look, but not something unnatural. You want to keep everything quite glowy, natural looking, you know, use earthy and warm tones, blend everything very well, you know, just go for a natural glow look. Now for highlighter, I'm going with Addiction by Laura Mercier. This is an amazing highlighter, so natural, but at the same time it gives you, you know, like this how do I say it, like this in your face glow, if that makes any sense. Now I'm going to use a little bit of pressed powder because I get super oily on the T-zone. And I'm gonna go with the Airbrush Flawless Finish from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is in the number 1 Fair. and I'm going slightly here on my forehead, bringing it down to my nose, on the sides, kind of setting my under eye area, and then just a little bit on my chin. I'm kind of dusting it off, just going very lightly. Obviously you can skip this step if you like to be super glowy, you know, and you don't mind, you know, your natural oils, but it is something that kind of bothers me sometimes, because it tends to look kind of greasy throughout the day, and I don't really like it. So I like just to, you know, do some touches throughout the day with a little bit of pressed powder. Okay, now I will move to the blush, and obviously for today's makeup look I'm using the Dream Matte blush from Maybelline. This is a Mauve Intrigue. I am absolutely obsessed with this blush. It is my number one. So I'm taking my blush brush, and again I'm going here on the highest points of my cheeks, bringing it towards my temples, give a beautiful color. So now I will move to, actually, you know what, I'll just slightly prime my lips, and I'm using Prep and Prime from MAC Cosmetics. And I'm gonna go over my lips. Okay, and now I will move to my brows. Now for my eyebrows, when I am doing this kind of makeup look, or even a no makeup look, when I want to emphasize my brows, I am using two products that I totally love, and one of them it's this brow gel from Charlotte Tilbury, and this one it's in the shade Soft Brown. And after I went with a brow gel, I just like to kind of fill in the gaps and do like small hair strokes with this brow microfilling pen from Benefit. Now this is in the shade Deep Brown. So like I said, firstly I go with this brow gel, and I'm going to show you on this brow how I do it. So I just go, you know, through my brows, nothing too crazy, just like this, and I'm brushing them, you know, upwards, so something like this. And then I will take this pen from Benefit, and it has like 3 lines. It looks like this microblading tool that they use to microblade the eyebrows. And like I said, I use this one to kind of fill in the gaps and draw small hairlines. Now, and I start from here on the inner part of my eyebrows, and I'm going just like this. And then I am going back with the brow gel, and I am brushing through. See the difference? It is obviously a little bit darker, but this is how I like to wear my brows. But feel free to do your brows the way you like it. Now moving to the eyes, I will take this matte eyeshadow from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is a flawless beige, and I am taking a fluffy brush and I'm gonna go all over my eyelid. And just what is left on my brush, I will go on the lower lashes. Now with the MAC 224, I will grab again the bronzer and I will go over the eyeshadow and kind of intensify the color. Now to finish the eyes, I will go and apply some mascara, and I am going with Pillow Talk mascara from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'll just go on the upper lashes and not on the lower ones, because I have the feeling that it kind of drags my eyes down, if that makes any sense, and I don't really like this. And this mascara, it is just gorgeous. Just look how long and full my lashes look. I just love it. I've just realized that most of the products that I've used in today's video are actually from Charlotte Tilbury, but this video, it is not sponsored. These are like the products that I like and work the best with this makeup look. You know, it was never my intention to go and use most of the products from Charlotte Tilbury, but I think it just happened. Also, if you want to see the same makeup look using drugstore products, just leave me a comment down below, because I also have some new products that I could use. So if you want to see that, just hit me with a comment. Okay, so I believe the eyes are done. So now I will move to the last part, the lips. And now I will use firstly a lip pencil, again from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is Iconic Nude Perfect Lip Pencil. So I'm gonna slightly align my lips, but I will try to keep my natural lip line. Okay, I don't want to overline or do something crazy. I just want to look everything really, you know, down to earth, very natural, very minimal, you know, just be me, you know. Yeah, so I will also fill them in slightly with the lip pencil. Gosh, I just love this color. It looks so natural. Okay, and now for a lipstick, I'm going with MAC Honey Love. Gorgeous nude color. And this is the final result. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like it. I think it looks very natural, but you know, kind of put together. I just love this earth and warm tones. It looks very beautiful. It looks like you have makeup, obviously, but it's not like that much of a makeup, if that makes any sense. Anyways, if you guys like this video, let me know in the comments below, and also if you want to see a version of it using drugstore products, hit me with a comment, like I said, and I guess I will see you on the next video. Bye!